Hey folks, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about almost, right? So very useful phrased word that we can add to vocabulary that we already have, right? So couple of things about this. One is we can use just 거의, just almost. 거의. And probably 90% of the time you're going to hear this with da, 거의 da, right? So 거의 da is all, right? So da 했어요, right? So also kind of useful phrase for us to have, right? So da 했어요, right? So 다 했어요. Did you do all of it, right? So 거의 다 했어요. Almost all, right? So almost all, right? So 거의 다 먹었어요, right? So most of the time you're going to hear it together. 거의 다. So almost. Maybe it's almost. So 끝났어요. Are you finished, right? 끝났어요. 거의 끝났어요, right? So 거의 다 끝냈어요. It's kind of more confusing, right? And a little more difficult to be able to just jump right in and use. So just stay with 거의 했어요, right? For those kinds of situations. Or 거의 다, almost all, is done, right? Instead of finished, all right? Great. Hope that helps you and that you can throw that into your Korean conversation right away, all right? If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do that. That gives you notifications when new videos get released. Hit that like button. Give me a good thumbs up. That helps other people to find us, right, and find the videos. Please share with your friends if you got friends who are also studying Korean, and be sure to leave a question or a comment below if you got one. All right. So check out the links below in the description. There are links there to LearnKoreanFast.com where there are a couple of free resources you can get for helping you with your Korean study. And also there are links to my books on Amazon. And I really appreciate people buying those books, and it helps me a lot. It helps me to have more time for making videos like this for you. 다음에 뵙시다.